Opposite roll ball press is an ideal key equipment for magnesium smelting in PDAM process. Do you know the feeding technique of this machine? Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling the material. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly and the charge is stable. When the feeding quantity exceeds the specified quantity of the equipment, can cause overload or even force a sudden shutdown. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So the operation of the machine to master the dose is an important link. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important link, but also to ensure the normal operation of the roller ball press is an important condition.